Well, hello there, sluts and bubble butts. I'm Timsy, and I'm back with the second episode. I'm sorry. Anyway, this is part 2 of the registration. We just got done with the setup, which I'm hoping you guys saw. If not, click the annotation in the top left screen and go check out that video if you haven't. What? I don't know what just happened. But let's pretend like I wanted that to happen. Anyway, let's go ahead and get started. And I'm going to create a new controller, and this is going to be the register page. So register.php, and again, class register extends CI controller, and we're going to do public function index like a mouse, and we're going to say okay, this is checks to see if the form was submitted. And to do that, we're going to say if this form validation run does not equal true, then we're going to say this load view, and we'll put v register and close that. Okay, so basically register page, or we'll put display register page. If the form was submitted, we'll say donkey butt. Okay, so we'll go ahead and create a new view, of course. Oh, did not mean to open that. New file. Okay, v register.php. And let's go ahead and get started. Well, we don't really need much here. I'm just gonna start up the form. I'm gonna say question mark equals form open, and I put base URL dot register. Okay, and come down here and put equals form close, and there we go. Okay, now what this does is, and hopefully if I just put register, I get no problems. Okay, great. I'm gonna put a page source, and you guys are gonna see that base URL just does, well, what it says, base URL, and it automatically generates a backslash after the URL. So then that's when you could just put the name of the controller, which is register. Okay, now that we have that, I'm going to create a table, and I'm going to just set this up real quick. This is some basic HTML, assuming you guys know some of that. Alright, the first thing we're going to add is a username, another TD, and we're going to put equals form. Actually, what is it? Okay, sorry about that. I got disturbed. Anyway, where was I? Oh, I want to do form input. I think that's what it is. Yeah, form input, and it's going to be an array, and we're going to say the name is, and we'll put username, and we'll put value is equal to set value, and we'll put username, and we'll close that. And then we're going to put another TD, and we're going to put equals form error username, and then we're going to close this up. Okay, and let me refresh the page and make sure everything came out right. Okay, it did. Okay, so this is what happened. Basically, form input is a helper from, in the first one we did an auto load, and we auto loaded a form helper, which basically in short terms helps generate HTML and saves us some time. So we could put form input, which is a regular input type, and we have a parameter of name, or I guess that's what people call it, I don't know, and we put username, and then we have a value, which is set value. So basically, if I was to submit a page, and let's say there was an error, and you display the error on the form, some people don't have it where it doesn't leave the information still in the text box, so you have to re-enter all of that stuff. What set value does is it leaves that information inside of there. The only time you don't have that is when you're putting a password in. So just throwing that out there. Anywho, so we're gonna be add this about this many times, and this one's gonna be password. Password, and we're gonna change it to form password. And all we need is to change this to password, and we don't need a value, so we can leave that as is. And same thing with this. We'll put confirm, or we'll put repeat password, and we'll put this one to form password, and the name will be pass_conf for password confirm, and we don't need anything else in here. And then here we need email address, and we'll just change it to email, and I did not change any of the form errors, so this one will be password, this one will be passconf for confirm, and this one will be email. Last but not least, we'll add, I think this one, not too sure on it, but I think it's form submit, and then just name is submit, value, I think it's value register, we put register, and then close this, and then refresh, and we got an error on line 11. And why did we get that? Oh, do we have an extra? I think we have an extra. Yep, we have an extra. I don't know what that's called. We don't need all that. Alright, I think that should be good now. 19, we have another error. Whoa, what's the error at 19? Semicolon? Something with a semicolon. I'll pause it real quick. Just check it out. Whoa! I had a whole bunch of stuff all over the place, guys. Sorry about that, but I fixed it up. I didn't have an array here. This wasn't pass confirm, and this one actually needed another side something. I don't know what they're called. Sorry, but let's check out the form. And it's looking quite nice. If I view the page source, you guys get to see what's going on here. And that's it for now, I guess. Let me see what we're at. 7 minutes, that's pretty good. Alright, so I'm going to end it here. I'll see you guys in the next video. So make sure you watch it, or I will come after you. I'm Timsy, signing out.